Are you struggling with a rat problem in your home or storage area? Don't worry, today we'll share an easy method that can help you get rid of rats effectively. While it may not be 100% guaranteed, it can work up to 70% of the time. First, gather your materials. You'll need vinegar, black pepper, rice wine, detergent, and some cotton pieces. Let's start. Add 3 tablespoons of vinegar into a bowl. Next, include 2 tablespoons of black pepper, followed by 3 tablespoons of rice wine and 3 tablespoons of detergent. Mix everything well until you have a consistent solution. Once mixed, the strong smell will be very effective. Now, take some small pieces of cotton and soak them in this mixture. Place these cotton pieces in areas where you suspect the rats are hiding, such as around cabinets, storage areas, or any other corners where you've noticed their presence. The strong scent will deter the rats, encouraging them to leave your space. Try this simple method at home and say goodbye to those pesky rats. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.